In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email campaign in Brevo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your audience, design your message, and schedule it with confidence. Start by opening Brevo in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the marketing area. This is where your outreach tools live, including email campaigns, so it's the best place to begin. Next, choose Create Campaign. When the campaign types appear, select Email. This tells Brevo you're building a standard email outreach, and it unlocks the editor and scheduling options you'll need. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name. Good naming makes it easy to find later and keeps your reporting tidy. Consider including the purpose and date so you and your team can track results at a glance. Then confirm by creating the campaign to move into the Setup view. Add recipients. Choose the contact list or segment that fits the message. Make sure your audience is permission-based and up to date, and consider excluding any groups that shouldn't receive this message to avoid overlap. A well-targeted list improves deliverability and engagement. Now start designing. Choose basic templates to work from a clean, flexible starting point. When you see a layout you like, click. Use template to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, add blocks to build your content. Drag in text, images, buttons, dividers, or social links as needed. Keep copy concise, lead with value, and make your primary button unmistakable. Use images that are optimized for email and include alt text so your message stays clear even if images are blocked. Then add sections to structure your layout. Sections help organize your header, body, and footer and make it easier to keep spacing consistent across devices. Preview on mobile as you go to ensure everything stacks cleanly and remains readable. If you have reusable pieces, like a standard header, footer, or promo banner, open the saved area to quickly insert them. This keeps branding consistent and saves time on future campaigns. When you're happy with the design, choose Save and Quit to return to the campaign summary. From here, go to Schedule. Pick the date, time, and time zone that best match your audience's behavior. Early mornings on weekdays often perform well, but use what you know about your list. Double-check the summary to ensure the right list and content are selected. That's it. You've set up your Brevo email campaign, designed it with blocks and sections, saved your work, and scheduled it for delivery.